In this video, I'm going to tell you the number one thing you need to know if you want to make money as a day trader. It's not about big wins, it's about how you handle losses. We're going to break it down in this video. I'm trading with Tradify. If you want to save, you can use the code ASFX to get 35% off your Tradify accounts. Now, I'm down $83. I only traded my 50K account today. The 50K account is the account, if you watch my videos every day, I showed you last week, I took a payout on this account. And I've been doing really well on it since. In fact, today's my first red day of the month on two accounts, a 50K and a 150K account with Tradify. Didn't trade the 150K today. I just really didn't see the market well. I missed the shorts. I had a good long bias, but you'll see how my execution just wasn't there. So, what's the key? Well, simply put, if you want to be successful in trading, you need to have, in my opinion, this is up for debate. You can rip me up in the comments, but if you want to be successful as a prop trader, you've got to have more green days than red days, and the red days have to be small. There's a hierarchy of day trading that I like to talk about. I think you need to prioritize your green days, your big green and your small green. Those are very important. The break evens are good too. The small red days are the next most important. But the thing you really need to focus on is not having big red days. The hierarchy of trading profits does not allow for huge red days. Why? Very simply put again, big red days set you back in time. Small red days like today, $82 for me this month, is insignificant. It will feel insignificant by the end of the month. So what did I do well? Well, if you look at the trades, so first I took longs here this morning. We get a huge push up at the open. So I took longs here, looking for another leg out. We pull back to previous day VWAP. We've now rolled over everybody to the M contract, to the June contract. You'll see that up at the top. Once we reclaimed New York VWAP, I added in, thought we were now going to go back out the top. Nope. Ends up pulling all the way back, filling these orders at 5,700 right here. There was a block of orders on the book map there. So I moved my stop a little underneath that. It held 96.50, pulls back to New York VWAP, and I got full out of the trade right here for a 200 something dollar loss. Nothing bad, 204. You can see it right there. So the longs weren't working, but I still stayed focused. I got long again at 57.03 and got out most of it at 57.12, not 012, 57.12, right through New York VWAP. If I would have closed the full thing here, it would have recovered and I would have been zero today. But I left one contract in and got stopped at break even there. So again, prioritizing the small red day, all I'm looking to do is get back some of my loss. I had 6 contracts on the first trade. I had 4 contracts on the second trade. So another thing that I do that's maybe up for debate, and you can tell me in the comments, I don't always trade the second trade with the same size as the first trade or with bigger size. If I make money, let's say I go up $500, I probably won't risk all 500 on the next trade. I'll risk 2 or 300. So even if I'm wrong, I'm still up on the day. That's prioritizing the hierarchy of day trading, right? I will take small wins over losses every day. So if I can make a little more money on top of my 500, I'm going to take it, right? So prioritize big green, small green, break even, and small red. Avoid the big red days. Now, still come in, do some markups. I liked the longs here for a scalp, right? As opening range was set. I thought we would rally hard today, and we did. The longs were here. It's just tough sometimes. You can see here's all my action. Trying to be long. And then I was an hour off. I had calls this afternoon, so I was off the desk. I couldn't do it. Well, not off the desk. I was off the charts. Missed it. But here it is. And that's at like 1300. That's at 1 o'clock, 1245. There it is. I was long at 57.03. We finished the day 60 points higher. You can't even see it's behind my head here. Look, all the way up here. 57. And you can see it on the chart here. Look at my long. 57.03. So I had the longs. I had the right bias just a little early. It's okay. I didn't put more money at risk. I didn't take a big loss. I'll come back tomorrow. This will seem insignificant. The long bias came from Ryan Dietrich on Twitter. He showed that traditionally, this Monday, this day in March, is a very good day for stocks. There's some of these days of the year that are just traditionally very good. This was one of them. So we got that bullish push. And then again, here's my month so far. Down $82 today. Not a big deal. So when you prioritize the P&L of the month, and you focus on keeping red days small, you end up taking payouts. I'm going to potentially take 2 more payouts this month. One more from the 50K account and one from the 150K account. I already got $2,000 out. If I could go get another 2 and then the other one I'll take 3. So if I go get another 5, that's a pretty good month, 7, not bad. Not bad. So thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure you subscribe. I've got podcasts dropping all week long, tutorials dropping all week long. I take care of you guys every day on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of that. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys on stream tomorrow morning.